Hello. Hello. Hello word from Hello word. This is Mona, your Unity teacher from the hell. There are so many people waiting. I'm feeling pressure now. But anyway, hello. Hello. Yo, hi, yay. Hello. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hi, well, hello, welcome. And those like people who wrote before I start stream. Hello, welcome. At least I'm third. It doesn't matter. Important thing is that you're here. Two days ago, I finally uploaded What is Mono Behavior video. And I feel like I need to work hard. I realized Mono has the tendency to open my eyes wide a few times when starting the stream. I barely do that during the stream, I guess. I don't know. I think I gained like 50 new subscribers from uploading the video. Now I'm feeling my pressure. Yes, bro, her eyes open. Start up the stream. Anyway, I'm very pressure now. I have to work on yeah, that's the way of being star. I don't know, peer pressure about everything. Someone wrote the precious comment that it would be like great to upload some kind of side projects or introduce my projects. Hi, hello, welcome. Yeah, I got such a feedback that it would be interesting to summarize my projects. And yeah, I think it's like really good idea, but it's also investing quite a lot of time. So like, as you can, maybe you realize that I'm only uploading the simple videos that I can make it in like very short amount of time. And then like at the very beginning, I uploaded some video like investing a bunch of time, and then I realized nobody watches it. And then I was complaining about that. And then one of my friends like streamed it like 10 or 20 times. And so it was so funny at that point. But I think things are different by now. So like a year ago, Unity, YouTube doesn't have any I don't know, logic to recommend my video. Don't be, you will just trust yourself. It's okay to go with your own pace. Yeah, but it's like if you don't like summarize the current project, and you always forget that, right? That's the problem. Nani? Eh? Yeah, the thing is that I don't want to forget, and I think it will be like amazing in the long term, because like people would search for it. I don't know. But yeah. But my identity, it's a Unity developer, not a game developer. Then like, maybe that's better. And then I was thinking about uploading a video about the, what is that called? Google. It's kind of the posture detecting. What is the name called? No idea. Yeah, anyway, those Google open source thing for detecting pods and so on. And then I thought like it would be cool to make a simple demo with, I don't know, using IK and using 3D model, which I don't have. And then I thought like, okay, it would be cool to make a 3D model. And yeah, I don't have anything. I had plans like an year ago or something when I was very, very, very motivated. Yeah. Nowadays, life is cool. 3D model? Yes. But I think if I want to have 3D model, I should make it by myself, even though I'm not great at making 3D models. I'm poor. I asked one of my one of the 3D modeler that I know personally, just to check out, and then like, and I heard it would be at least like $3,000 to make one humanoid character. I was thinking like, okay, not that complex one. I think it would be like any kind of low poly, low texture thing is cool enough. But my sister, yes, a bunch of 3D models. These, yes, that's what I mean. Yeah. Anyway, I checked the Ludum Dare video. I edited first 2 minutes of it. And it was like quite cool. And now I feel pressure. Not only the future me, but the previous me was also cool. Like she did all the cool part. That was the problem. What about 3D chibi mono? That would be cute. Can I finish it? On one weekend or something? Or is that are there some tools specifically? I think I need to model it, right? I mean, I know how to use Blender a little bit, but I don't know how to add some physics on my hair or something. I think that's complicated part. Ooh, noise. Oh, I still didn't change the chat. It's still super slow. Anyway, let's see what I was doing, because today I'm also not that motivated. Today there was some after event of that Butler Cafe. Then I spent almost the entire day watching it. It was so fun. Hi, hello, welcome. Hello. What app used for this anime? Is it Face to Anime? It's myself. I always forget the name of the app. It's VTube Studio. I think almost everybody uses this app. VTube Studio. And I'm personally connecting iPad. I heard iPad or iPhone is the best for the tracking because they have some certain parameters. I didn't really do the research. I just heard. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, so I watched the after event of the play, which I didn't watch because it's only offline and I wasn't there. So I watched the after event of a play that I didn't watch. So they were saying they wanted to present how they live their life after the show is over. Don't fight here. Yeah, and then I didn't watch the show, so I basically watched an after event that I have no idea who they are, what kind of story it was. So, yeah. It was weird. My friend, don't say anything bad here. Don't fight here. Anyway, so that was fun. They will release the DVD soon. And I need to buy that, watch that, trying to understand the entire story. And then I wanted to buy a Lego of Urbandale. And then it's super expensive. It's like $600 or something. And then it's like I don't need such a big Lego. I'm not a Lego fan, I guess. I didn't buy that many Legos in my life. And then that's like one of the 10 biggest Lego that they ever made. Yeah, I don't need such a big Lego. And then it was cheaper in Japan, and then I was thinking maybe buy it in Japan and bring it there. And then I realized there's no single way that I can bring it for the cheaper price, because it's the 10 biggest Lego that they ever made. Life. I already have some kind of controller. Lego? It's been a long time since I've seen Legos. Lego, yes. They made the Lord of the Rings Lego. The Rivendell one. I'm like huge fan of the Lord of the Rings. Love it. And then there were like, in that scene, there was like those like discussion for the ring. I don't know. It was like so perfect. They had everything. They had Bilbo riding there and back again. Bionicle. Well, I don't think I'm really big fan of it. I never had any, I guess. Bionicle. It looks cool. What do? Do they like aliens or something? I don't know. They all look like robots. It says Bionicle. It should be some kind of like I don't know, biometric, bio, I don't know, alive things, even though they look like robots. Isn't that? I don't know. Kinda robots? But why bio? Shouldn't it be like Robotnikel or something? Okay. The victory panel pops up. Yeah, I'm thinking. I was thinking like I wanted to have like those kind of effect. And but do I want that? That's another question. Do I want that? I mean, I don't have an artist to work on this game, so I can do whatever I want. Okay. Not just do whatever I want and then think about it later. Where's my video studio? Here. Achievement rate. I have achievement rate. Okay. I should put things in the settings or somewhere like that, I guess. I don't know. So I went to bed and then woke up and then I had like 20 more subscribers. Okay, and I was thinking like, okay, right. Okay, settings. I don't know what I want to do today. I usually check the to-do list, but I feel like I'm just doing a random thing. Growing! Yes. Getting bigger. Getting bigger. Or maybe Limina, my friend, she will gonna be so popular. She can introduce me to her channel. Or like my sister from the Satozaka family. She can also introduce me into somewhere. I don't know. The only problem is that every VTuber that I know is streaming in Japanese. And then I feel like that wouldn't be like... I mean, I don't know. If I do the collaboration, I expect to have some kind of connection to also their subscribers or in Japanese listeners, right? But if the language changes and if there's like huge language barrier that you cannot cross, then I think it's kind of complicated. Yeah, the reason I didn't do the collaboration is that I was too lazy. Luckily, you're streaming in English. Yes, I didn't mean to. But that happened. And there is no way back. Yes. I didn't plan it. Ratio lab. Could always do both. Or speaking in many different languages. I mean, once I translated, personally, not officially, once I translated between, I don't know, a random person to random person, were my friends, but yeah, and then couldn't speak each other's language, and then I translated them, and that was super annoying. I had to speak the same thing twice, and if I want to say something, so like if person A speaks, then I translate it into the person B's language, and then if person B speaks, then I translate into the person A's language. So I listen and talk once, but if I want to say something, then I have to say the same thing twice. And of course, they both were like the person I knew. They didn't know each other. They just met, and and I couldn't say anything because like whenever I want to say something, that I had to like say it twice. And that was a little bit annoying. I don't want to put it in the settings. I want to put it in the data. Where is data? CIC. Is your game gonna be released on Google Play? I think it will be. But if it ever finishes, my original aim was publishing on the Google Play Store. And back at that point, I thought this would take like 3 days, but whatever. Job of translator. That's weird. I think translator is like weird thing. I once translated into the between the professional Go player and children. That was also unexpected. I was playing my game, and then like after my game, someone just said like go there and translate them, and then I was thinking like what kind of event it is, and then I was sitting there without knowing nothing. Yeah, and then that was super weird because the Go players were looking at me and all the childrens were looking at me. And then I was the one who knew nothing about this game. And I had no idea, like, I don't know. I'm like just a weak player and they are the professionals, and then those childrens and everybody was looking at me. Then I felt pressure. Play animation. I don't know. I don't know. Drugs. And what? And I want to... is there any user data somewhere? Yeah, I think today was fine. The IEN is confusing. It's coroutine, the Unity coroutine. Enumerator. That allows you to use the Unity coroutine function. So like, that's also one way to control that a user data and key string. Screen. Save, I don't know. Save data key. Yes, I know how to use it, but the name I need to only paste it. I also do that. I also do something like IEN and everything will be great for me because the automatic thing will finish it for me. But I still don't know what is enumeration does. Enumerator. There's something else. Enumerable. I have no idea what this one does. Let me find out. Yeah, same. It's like for waiting some time, then it performs a specified time. Enumerable. Exposes an enumerator which supports a single iteration over non-generic collection. Enumerable and numerator interfaces. In this example, members of these interfaces are not explicitly called, but they are implemented to support the use of for each to iterate through the collection. This example is complete console app. To compile this Visual Basic app or blah blah blah. I have no idea. Yup. Yes. Ah. I've always used it to perform an action after a specified time. Yes, that's like her routine, but like now I'm wondering if like what this is, because like whenever I'm trying to get this one, like I only see this one and then I was never curious in my entire life what that is. Yeah, but it's like what you can use to implement to the collection, like list stack queue and such a thing. We use the for each state. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. So they look similar but doesn't have anything in common. After years of using coroutine, I no longer use the enumerator. I have custom helper which does the most of the stuff for me. It also knows whether the coroutine is done pause aborted. What is the difference? I mean, the function that you implemented? Prototyped the entire essay. Yeah, I'm wondering. Kidding. Yeah, I feel like one of the most commonly used function for the beginners were like those who were inherited from mono behavior, and then you start to stop using it, using something like coroutine or anything else. Oh, I didn't want to use coroutine. I wanted to. But also, yeah, I think you use less and less coroutine because like for the most of the actions you can use like async await, those kind of things. Or maybe it's different if you need physical calculation or like some kind of like Unity specified simulations. But yeah, I don't know. Tell me if there's any cool way to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lost. I wanted to use the twin. An example would be I just need to call coroutine helper. Wait for okay. Wait 5 seconds. It is basically like wrapped but still coroutines. Not like replace everything by some other functions. I mean something like invoke libpt. That can also replace coroutine. Even though I think coroutine is better than this one. Hello. The other way is basically the other way is of course using async await and run the tasks and so on. That's the key that creates the function automatically. You click the key and create the play animation function. What's the key that creates the function? Eh? What did I do? Eh? I mean, there's like the helping thing, which is not really showing in the screen. Because it doesn't show the small screens when I capture a software. IntelliSensei, yes. Oh, I mean what I want to shortcut that you click that created. You mean this one, huh? You mean this? I press Control and dot, and then it suggests how to fix. Let's see if my main monitor is safe enough. I hope so. Yeah. So if I press Control plus dot, it suggests what I want to do, and then I just like choose generate method and then press enter. And thank you. You're welcome. What am I doing? What am I doing? That's a good question. What am I doing? I have no idea. Today I feel very lost. maybe it's like my mind is still swirling with like those dance and sing and acting and winning canvas controller. I think it's better to make as a prefab just for my convenience. Developing games. Am I doing that? My mind is still like those like Tiffany Chatter. I have no idea how to pronounce his name. Is it valid? I think it is. Not. Just not activated on the wrong time. I have no idea what I'm doing. What's under there, huh? First, I have no idea how to use Twin. Second, I even don't remember whether I was using the Do Twin. I think I'm using Do Twin. Yes. And then I forgot everything. Okay. Calm down, Mona, you can do it. Calm down, you can do it. Later you will have the idea like how you had no idea how to code. I always know that. Even don't know how to properly use the async await. Ah! And I don't know how properly quit the WebRTC. Yeah. Yeah, if I'm if I send the track on WebRTC, I have to remove all those tracks. Yeah, the future me will do that. She knows everything. And then I was suffering. what exactly I have to remove. I don't know what I'm doing, but there should be some kind of animation. This one. So making sequence every time, is it a good idea? Or is it better to just save sequence somewhere and then use it? No idea. Never used do twin. I think those twin is quite useful for 2D animations. I never did. Like, okay, let's copy and paste it. For what? I have no idea. I don't need sequence. I don't need sequence. I need something smaller, easier. And why am I saving it? Why am I saving it and make it all the time? Where am I saving it? Wow, this is complicated. What am I reading? I mean, I need to get rid of all those things. Huh? Eh? Why do I save it? I don't need to save it, right? No idea. I was reading this book, like The Better Angels of Our Nature, and then I saw like this is quite complicated book. Mono is lost, yes. Current me is the current me lost against the previous me. Ah! Ah! I don't know. Nah. I just wanted to talk about the after event that I watched today. Okay, so I want to make the object 1. I have no idea. Does do twin supports animation? For the rect transform as well? Or is it? I think that's basically same, right? I have no idea. I'm so dumb. I know nothing about twins. Good twin sequence. I don't want that. I want to make a simple movement only. Who did this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I wanted to kill it. That was why. Okay, okay. Because I don't want to think about it. Oh. Oh my god. Why did I do that? Oh my god. That's what I want to do. Really? What? What? Okay, that's the moving one. Where is the moving upward one? Oh my gosh, this is impossible to read. Okay, I can do it. Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm alright, Daddy. Please don't cry. Little one. I think I can read them and then really do something about them. I mean, I have no idea why you are setting everything here. What the heck? But what? Why are you doing everything here? The singing voice is like a real cartoon. Daddy, I'm alright, Daddy. Don't cry. I didn't. Pretty sure. Watch Matilda. It's one of my favorite musical. I need to find out how to use Twin. I think it was something like it was extension of transform to X. Yes. Float end value duration. End value and duration. What about the starting position? And I have no idea whether the rect transform is equal to. Okay, let's hard code everything. We're here. That's how to code everything, because that's how you leave this cruel world. And then let's see if that ever works. Do you think it will ever work? Oh no! Close your eyes. And you saw nothing. Hello, hello, welcome. Okay. I'm not gonna show you anything. I will just I will just secretly examine if that works. No, it isn't. Oh. It actually does something. Does orange bar. Not bad. I'm quite happy. Even though I have no idea why it is. I have no idea. Oh no! Don't fight here! Don't say random things! Yeah, I like those like YouTube emojis. They are cute. I don't know, they look innocently... I don't know. Pure? Cute? They are innocent. Why is it a little bit higher then? I'm just trying to fix the bug that I'm trying to fix from like 7 days. Now you can claim that that's a feature. Why is it's not set to 50? Why is it set here instead of here? You can call and reply chat. GG. I'm not really calling. I'm not really concentrating. But why is it 100? I need to find that out. I randomly subtracted 50 and now it fits, and then I don't know the reason. Why? Really, why? The good thing is it works. The bad thing is I don't know why it works. Stop talking to the other people. That's all fine. Ugh. I mean, usually if I'm like really concentrating, nobody writes anything. So I think that's fine. I have no idea why. Tell me why. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da la da. 지금이 아닌 언젠가 여기가 아닌 어딘가 나를 안아줘. 무엇이 있을까? 나는 나의 마음을 숨기려 하지 않아도 나를 안아줘. 무엇이 있을까? 목마른 가슴 위로. Let's secretly check if that works. 나를 알아보는 내게도 날개가 있어. 슉, 슉, 슉. This is cool. I like this. 내게도 날개가 있어. 날아갈 수 있을까? 별이 내리는 하늘이 너무 아름다워. 바보처럼 나는 그저 눈물을 흘리며 서 있나. 가슴 속의 폭풍은 언제 멎으려나. 바람 부는 세상에 나 홀로 서 있나. 지금이 아닌 언젠가 여기가 아닌 어딘가 나를 안아줄 무엇이 있을까? I really have no idea why it's okay. It's because of the difference between direct transform and the local position, huh? Then I think 50 is the random value. I shouldn't use that. I don't know. 내게도 날개가 있어. play that they were playing. So the after event I watched. I didn't know that, but they were all double casting. I didn't know that. I only knew for like my favorite butler because he was playing a woman and men at the same time. So that was obvious, but everybody else was also double casted. I didn't know that. And I need some vertical particle effect, huh? Pam, pam, pam. I can use the same particle effect. And then I want to have 3 of them. Because I think that will be cool. Let's have 3 of them because it's cool. I feel like the most important part of this game will be the ads, which I didn't work on it yet. And I really wonder why. I mean, I know. I think some logic for the generating stages failed. Huh. Particles! I want to have 3 of them. 3 fixed. For each or oh, I can also instantiate the particle system. That active force? I'm not sure. Butland 왜 아닐 거라 생각해 아침 못다 먹은 작은 악마 같은 나인걸 몰라 You're a villain 왜 아닐 거라 생각해 I'm killing someone. Maybe I'm killing someone. Maybe I'm killing you. Maybe you're killing me. Maybe we all pretend to be the heroes on the good side. But what if we're the villains on the others? Am I good? Am I bad? Are you good? Are you bad? 에이. 내가 제일 좋아하는 누군가는 누군가에게 say. What is good? What is bad? 에이. So many shades of gray. 나 어떻게 아직도 할 수 있어? Oh. Good, really good is only fades away. 아무도 내게 좋아하지 마 because I'm a villain. 왜 아닐 거라 생각해? 아주 못돼 먹은 작은 악마 같은 나인걸 몰라. You're a villain. Let's just fix the position. I don't even need that. I don't need that. Play? Go. I'm 23, 난 수수께끼. Question. 뭐게요? 맞춰봐요. Because. 떨리지 말기. Because. 난 몹시 예민해요. 맞춰봐. 한 딸기 23쯤 아가씨 태가 나네. 딱 큰 척해도 적당히 믿어줘요. 얄미운 23 아직 한참 멀었다 얘. 날 잘한 척해도 대충 믿어줘요. 난 그냥 적당히 지금이 좋아요. 아니야 사실 Where's my particle? 사실은 때려치고 싶어요. 정했어요. 나 죽은 듯이 살래요. 아니야 눈이 난 많이 벌레. 어느 쪽이게 다른 한쪽은 몰라. 아주 가거든. 모든 한쪽을 골라. 애초에 나는 단 한 번의 거짓말도 쓴 적이 없거든. 여우인 척 하는 고민 척 하는 여우 아니면 아주 다른 거. 어느 쪽이게 Did I have the same problem for the It's so tiny. I think I had the same problem for the thing, and so forever ago, and then I forgot everything. How long have you been using Unity? I don't know. I would say like 5-6 years. Not entirely sure. Okay, what year is? Okay, let's say 6. But maybe a little bit longer than that. Maybe longer than that, but let's say 6 because too lazy to calculate. When I started, they didn't have those years thing. I think I started with Unity 5 and then they moved on to the Unity 2017 or something. I don't remember. Yeah. Those old times. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I want to add the particle effect, but particle effect has different layer or positions than the canvas. So that's what I also had for the thing, and then I had some calculation to overlap, and I had to find it, and I don't want to. Calm down. You can do it. But where should I find it? Where is the particle effect? You can do it! I can do it. But I'm already distracted. Is there anything fun? Is there anything fun? Yeah, I feel like the best way to like being fun is always the bad thing because you don't have to try. But if you feel that you are belong to the group as a fan or like a group or a singer or anybody, and then I think you can still feel proud of the singer or like the target without doing anything. I think that's the best way. I should like somebody and that somebody achieves something, and I'm just doing nothing at home and just feeling proud of myself. Yeah, actually doing something to feel proud of myself, that's too much work, right? I'm pretty much sure everybody agrees on that. Then I just like randomly click the YouTube studio and then I feel like there are so many people watching. Now I feel pressure. Should I show something cool, which I don't have? I'm trying to find where my particle effect is and then I'm failing horribly. Want some music for the game, huh? Free. Don't worry. Yeah, I think at some point I will add it. Confetti controller. Add confetti controller. That's a cool name. And I have like okay, I remember Unity is mostly used to develop web games back then. I started with VR. And I also had no idea like what else you can do with Unity. Even though I did some kind of basic agent modeling. I didn't do that, but I was working on someone else's project and trying to use it, and then I horribly failed. And then there was some time that I wanted to do the motion capture thing, and then I realized the motion capture suit is, I mean, the one that they had is only fitting for certain size of people, and I tried to record my movement, which I failed because the suit was too big for me, and then. Yeah, that's like yeah, and there was some like a huge set of the motion capture data from I don't remember which university, so some university that, and then like there was like yeah, I didn't do anything, and there was some like half an year that I said that I would do something with those data, but I never did anything. Memories. Good old days. happy to record that. But anyway, I started Unity with VR. And at that point, like Unreal Engine also became like free or something. I remember my Unity back then doesn't even have 2D functionality. Was it? I have no idea. I started Unity with 3D, but I'm pretty much sure a lot of people used. I have no idea. Let's not talk about something that I don't know. I just joined and wanted to tell you, keep up the good work. Rarely see live game devs. Thank you. Thank you. Even though I was starting with play games and then I'm just like, okay, what about, forget about playing games. I will just sit here, do nothing. But anyway, thank you. Welcome. Yeah, maybe it wasn't that great idea to do it. I think quite creative codes. That's fine. That's all fine. Back then, developing the UIs were so troublesome. I think they didn't have like, I don't know. I heard some talks from the Unity guy. He basically said, don't use Unity UI. Make everything by yourself. And then I was thinking like, okay, is that the tip to optimize the Unity UI? Amazing, don't use it. I have no idea how well it is, like how good, yeah, how improved. Oh my god, English. What am I doing? Winning particle position is what? Huh? Huh? I'm at I could I can put it there, right? I will just name it horribly. Make sure that future me has something to do. Want some music for the game? I will add it later. Firework. I'ma let you. Bam! Boom, boom. But why does it have rec transform? I have no idea. Is it me or was it originally did that? How did you learn coding and what advice you have for beginners who want to start learning? I started with the actual project in my university. I mean, I didn't major it. I didn't major the computer science, but there was some project related to Unity. So I just like started without anything. And the advices for the beginners, I made a video about that, but that's like contains how to be a good Unity developer. I don't know whether that was a good name. But yeah, I think for the beginners, I think the most important thing is that you don't lose the interest. You achieve a tiny things every day and show it to somebody. Doesn't have to be like the actual people or something, like any kind of community. I was actually thinking about making a community, and forever ago somebody suggested making a Discord community. So I thought like maybe I can have some community that I can like, that people can share their projects and ask some questions that they were facing. Really cool due to the latency. I have no idea what is cool, but yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think for the beginners, the most important thing is just keep the interest. Because some people say that the learning, the programming, or like any kind of development, I mean, yeah, is learning everything new all the time. But maybe that's true. The basic, but the basic doesn't change. I don't think this does anything. I think I need to change this if I want to make it bigger. Bam! Bam! Yeah. So the basic things doesn't change. So cute. Oh my god. Is it Unity? It died. Oh. It was only the particle effect. Unity didn't die. I thought you majored in computer or something related in coding. Well, not really. Somehow I ended up here. But that's a long story. So, maybe later. Yeah, so I didn't know anything about the basic. That was also my problem, where I suffered. I think it's like really good to know the basics about the computer science, because then you know actually what is happening. And then what I really like about the computer science is that it's all built by human being. I love that, personally. Like, human being understand every single aspect of it. And then I'm quite sure that there isn't such a thing, such a study exists in that many. Not that many of the studies knows everything about what you're doing. Like, lots of the studies just does it, or just happens it. You don't fully understand. You try to understand them, but you're not fully understand them. But computer science, you know every single aspect of it. And I think that's quite cool. An advice would be learn the fundamentals and learn it well. With strong fundamentals, you can go far. Or so far game that start small and finish your game. Yeah, I think it really depends on like I mean, you have to do that at some point. I mean, learn the fundamentals and learn it well is like really important. But the thing, some things that you can just get used to it. And then like, you have your entire life to look at it and trying to understand it. And then if you fail it, and then you have another chance. And I think that's cool. Because like, from time to time, I also feel like overwhelmed because like there's some new concept and I don't understand it, and like yeah, that kind of like, I don't know, sadness. And then feeling like I'm super dumb. I even don't understand what this is. And then I also feel like there aren't that many people, especially in the Unity development, if you are a Unity developer, because this tool is aimed to collaborate. This is not a tool for a strong developer who can calculate everything in their mind, but it's like a tool allows you to collaborate with artists, with I don't know, level designers and programmers. So Unity, the concept of Unity is make everything simple and visible. So I lost my mind. My mind is so problematic. I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, learning strong fundamentals, always good thing. You at some point you have to know that. But when you're just starting, you don't have to. I think if you spend like few months, few years using this tool, there is always chance to find that out and trying to understand what this tool actually does. And then, yeah. And then those fundamentals doesn't change. I'm pretty much sure it wouldn't change for like the next few decades. So I think in that aspect, yeah, you can go far, yes, sure. And then you can switch the tools. If you only know how to press the buttons on the Unity, you can only use the Unity. But if you understand how the physics calculations or like rendering works, the basic doesn't change. I've seen beginners wanting to make MMORPG. I feel like that's me. That's how I failed on making my game. I wanted to make an adventure puzzle game, and then I made it for, I don't know, 1.5 years. And then after like 3 months, the entire time was like, I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have like give up. But I didn't do that. But yeah, that's why I'm making such a game, because it's simple. But I think trying anything is like, okay. If you're not sacrificing, I don't know, your job or career or your life or your family, I think trying anything is cool. It will help you at some point if you were really passionate about it. I mean, if your goal is making bunch of money, or I don't know, have amazing game on the store, I think making MMORPG is like a bad idea. But if you're just trying to try that out and then you realize it doesn't work after like 2 years, I think it's still cool. I don't know, my personal opinion. That's true, I also feel overwhelmed when learning, probably because I'm very impatient to myself that I want it to be done as fast as possible. So the way to do as fast as possible, copy and paste someone else's code. And then if that works, I don't know. How I usually learn things is that I copy and paste someone else's code. Do it 5 times. And then I started to know like what those things are doing, because like if I copy and paste someone else's code because nothing works, and I have to fix at least a little bit. And then if I fail like 5 times, I started to know what they are doing. And then like if I keep doing that, I think at some point I remember things. That's how I learn things. I mean, sometimes I love something and then trying to understand everything. And then I fail, of course, and do that many times, and eventually I will get better. And then with those experience of failing, if you read someone else's article or books, then you can also understand what they meant by it. I don't know, if you don't want to fail, I think it's smarter to just follow someone else's track or like lecture or something like that. But failing is cool. Suffering is cool, isn't that? The evil whisper from the hell. Did I do? I didn't activate. Bam, bam. Why isn't this cool? I feel like the coolness I imagined is like, let's say 10, and this is like 2.5 cool. Why? Why? Let's play one stage and let's see if it's cool enough. Fireworks! Doesn't show up here. Why? Fireworks! Yes, fireworks. Fireworks! I'll be a firework! Hey! Feeling is not cool when there's a deadline though. Yes! That's horrible. If you have deadline, and if you have some very important projects, I believe you have some other seniors or like smarter people who can guide you. So like your failure is not that important. I really hope so. Life is tough. Not enough explosions. Is it? Game is so fun. Playing it. Just add some random number. What color was it? Red? I think that's bad way, but I... Suddenly, after naming it after the color. Just using the position. Well, you can certainly ask them for advice, but the implementation is still on you unless you said, I can't do it, help me! And you get the looks from them. Yeah. Yeah, that's also... Yeah. I don't know. Wishing that they are good enough? I don't know. Bam! Beam! I think this is a little bit slower animation is a bit cooler. Even though... I think those should be also a little bit... I don't know, slower. I don't know, but I think it's always, I don't know, important to have some room for failure. I mean, you cannot always succeed, right? That would be cool. Sometimes people fail. And you have to have some kind of backup plan for that. I don't know. What do I know? I know nothing about... Ooh. Bang! I think the best advice to give to those who have deadlines to keep is to fail faster. Yes, that's true. But like, I don't know. I think if you already know when you will fail, and if you can fail fast enough, and if you can estimate how long it will take, I think you're good enough. Because most of the times, I don't know, I don't have those feelings when I started. I'm pretty much sure I don't fail the resolution. Let's see. Why not? What? This failed. Ah, why? Am I doing the scaling twice? I think so. Maybe that's the problem. Doesn't seem like it. I think my calculation is wrong. But the animation doesn't fail, so it must be the local position rack transform problem. The 4th of July, maybe you're firework. I don't know the lyrics. What? The worst is when you're only programmer working on it and the designer client wanted and so many additional features, functionality with so little time, bad days. What have you done? What kind of life did you have? I cannot read it well. It's too blurred with the tears and... I think it is activating once. I have no idea. It's fine. Okay, if it's fine, then it's all fine. I hope that's fine. Nothing appeared, right? I lost my level function. Oh, okay. Did it appear at the beginning? Oh. I think I need to get rid of those, and I think everything will be fine. Oh my god, I cannot press Control key anymore. I mean, it was like horrible for the entire day, and then like for, I don't know, first 1.5 hours of the streaming, it was fine. I don't know why. And the level doesn't change at all. That's like bad karma from the yesterday's me. What have you done? Not yesterday, was it Friday? Yes. Friday's me, what have you done? Ooh, awesome. Oh, I didn't show you. Anyway. Am I making progress or is it always same? I have a feeling that I'm doing some refactoring and then something is broke and then I don't want to finish the task but just go to bed. Oh, nowadays I'm sleeping with Pokemons. They are cool, they are cute. The only bad thing is my phone is quite warm when I wake up. I'm doing the Pokemon Sleep. And that's the app that you can measure your sleep. You activate the applications while you're sleeping and put the phone on the bed, and then it just measures the vibration. And then it has some kind of data set to measure your sleeping, the pattern of the sleeping. So now they are like combined with the Pokemon. Preheating? Preheating on the, I don't know, global warming era. And on the summer. Yeah, that's a great thing to have. Anyway, that's... So when I wake up, the Snorlax attracts the other Pokemons near the Snorlax. So the Snorlax has some kind of magical power to let other Pokemon sleep around him. And then I played it how many days? Few days by now, and that's like super cool, super cute. I'm like eating the Snorlax 3 times a day. And I feel like it's like fed well than me. I don't feel like I'm eating 3 times a day or something. I mean, something similar, but not exactly the same 3 times. While my Snorlax is having such a nice meal. Yeah. I caught a few Pokemons. It's quite cute. And that's also a random thing, but I kind of wonder. He's asking good morning on Twitter? A Japanese thing? Or is it VTuber thing? I don't know. Because whenever I enter my Twitter, or Twitter, not Twitter anymore. Twitter doesn't exist anymore in this world. It became X. And those blue bird is gone now. It's dead. It's not with us anymore. X. Yes. X. Yes. I wonder if that's Japanese culture or X thing. I don't know. I saw a lot of people trying to use the Blue Sky, the new Twitter-like platform from Jack Dorsey. So he basically sold the Twitter and making a new Twitter. And then there's like Zuckerberg who's making another Twitter, and none of them are now Twitter. Everybody is making Twitter, but nothing is Twitter. Okay, stop playing. But what else I would do? Yeah, I think from later on I need to slowly finish this with strategy, with the features that I want to make. Now I'm just having fun. But I need to finish it at some point, right? So I hire Future Mono as product manager and set the deadlines and goals without just chilling around playing this game for, I don't know, 30 minutes per day. I think that's a great idea. So I can call it an achievement for this year. Maybe. Or maybe I can just make it forever and never release it. That's another way of life. Okay, even though I just added some animation and didn't do any coding, I felt like I kind of want to call it a day. I have right to do that, right? I always have all the right. Anyway, I love to make 2D pixel games, but now I'm struggling with drawing sprites. Drawing sprites? Or do you mean you mean you don't have any artists working with you, or is it like some kind of technical problem that you're facing with the 2D sprites? I don't know, I wanted to rely on bots and AIs, and then I feel like that's not that easy. Yeah, I think I can slowly off go. And I feel like the most people watched the streaming today. I feel like around 10 people are watching right at the moment, or 9, 8, I have no idea, but something around 10. And that's quite a lot of people compared to my previous streams. And thank you for that. will be famous. Very, very popular. Like me. La la. La la. You'll be popular. Just not quite as popular. Like me. And it's not that many. I never had 10 friends gathering with me and talking to them. So that's quite many. Yeah, imagine that you are going to some kind of, I don't know, the bar with 10 friends and talking to them. That's quite a pressure for me, at least. Yeah, I also sometimes feel like, I don't know, if like 500 people watch my video and I felt like I just talked in front of the entire school or something. And like 500 views on YouTube, that's nothing. But like imagine that you're talking in front of like 500 people. That's like a lot, right? So that's weird feeling. Your stream is really interesting. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you. Even though I'm not thinking about any contents, what kind of things that I would talk about, I'm just talking about randomly things about the Butler's Cafe. Yeah. Thank you for watching. And if there's anything that you want to like know or want me to make video of instead of Ludum Dare, please let me know. I'm still working on the Ludum Dare video. I'm trying hard. I'm pretty sure this game would never get completed if there are 50 people spamming in the chat. I think in that case, I can ignore all the chats, right? Isn't that like what super popular people do? Just like chat just has fun with themselves. Like they are talking to each other and just like I'm just doing my job and everybody is happy and I'm reading a comment, I don't know, once in a 10 minutes. And if there's like super amazing, interesting, fun comments, and I read it out, and then, yeah, that's the idea. Yeah. So, I think I can call it a day. And I really wish that I can finish the Ludum Dare 52 video at some point, because I felt like that would be cool. And then now I edited the first 1.5 minutes of it, so that's finished part. And now I have like 13 to 15 minutes of the shortened version of it, but that amount I just made it faster. So I have to really see what's happening and add some explanation. So I don't know, maybe adding 1 minute per day would be realistic, and at some point I will finish that. I don't know. Thank you for the stream. Thank you for the stream. Okay, thanks for the stream. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming. The short looks great. Thank you. That was already edited part. I did that half an year ago. And then I feel like that takes forever to edit the entire video and upload it, and maybe make it shorter to motivate myself. So yeah. Thank you. So thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chats. Thank you for hanging around with me. And I will come back on Friday, I guess. I think the Monday Friday schedule isn't that bad. Maybe I can keep the schedule Mondays and Fridays. And I really need to plan things. Maybe talk less. Yes. And release it. Have some kind of release plan, which I don't have any. I think that will be cool. So yeah, thank you for coming, and I wish you to have a good morning, noon, afternoon, and evening, and night, in whenever and whatever time zone, wherever you are. Yes. See ya. See you next time. No, not Siri, not you, not again. No. Whatever. Whatever, bye-bye. 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 See you next time. Laughing. Siri. Siri never answers me when I really need her. We will get famous soon. It's a good thing. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I will try my best. Yay! See you, Siri. The see you is fine, but see ya is not fine. And I really need to change the chat display to the faster one. See ya. See you next time. Bye bye.